Hi there. Here's the big profit secret of the micro influencer and how you can finally shock your village people with your success. This is going to be a unique step-by-step video post, so if you hate money, stop watching now. Just scroll away, alright? If you are tired and exhausted of following blogs and newsletters that turn you into a joker online with little or no money to show for your efforts, it's time to follow someone who actually knows what they're doing, and that's me. Now, you want to be a mega influencer, that's fine, but the way that you're going about it is wrong. Instead of wanting to be a mega influencer, a celebrity, macro influencer, focus on being a micro influencer, right? And then take that strategy and apply it to another niche of expertise and passion. Note I said expertise and passion in that order. You can act passion, you see, but you cannot act expertise. People connect to passion, but they pay for expertise. Listen to this. They connect to passion, but they pay for expertise. Now, there are 4 big profit advantages of being a micro influencer. A micro influencer tends to have stronger relationships with their followers, all right? And stronger relationships tend to lead to what? Greater authenticity. That means your followers believe in you, they can relate to your stories, they flow with you. It's a more personable and more approachable image and persona and brand that you have, which means more engagement. More engagement means more return on investment. Number 2, micro-influencers are perceived as thought leaders who are experts in a particular niche. Now, number 3, they have a lower price point, which means they can attract a lot more buyers, okay? A lower price point than celebrity mega influencers. Of course, they have lesser number of followers, but their followers are more targeted. Their followers are more engaged audiences, and that drives strong profit results. Number 4, brands are looking to target a specific niche with a micro influencer, and they will work with you since you are aligned with their brand message or specific campaign. Now, this is where I want you to pay attention. As an influencer grows to a certain point, right, you begin to lose engagement. Engagement begins to drop. So there's like an inverse relationship between the influencer and engagement at a certain point. What do you do at that point? And this is where most influencers miss it. 2 solutions. Number 1, run a campaign, right? Organize an event that fires up your community, that galvanizes your followers, that brings them together. Maybe a charity event, for instance, and a simple donation event, or something where everyone can contribute to a particular cause. Let's say $3 to a charity cause or event. You can host it as a physical event offline and then stream it, live stream it for others who are in different cities and countries to follow and tune in, okay? Now, you might want to do a poll within your own specific community to know what ticks for them and what they might be interested in. But that's a very fantastic way to galvanize your audience. And a lot of people aren't doing that for that purpose. A lot of micro-influencers are missing out at that point. Number 2, you switch. Now, keep steady with the current community, right, and niche. But it's time to start building another niche, but a related one. Another micro niche, but a related one, okay? So you have this community going, and then you start to build another one right before you get to the mega influencer part. Once you're starting to get that big that you're losing a bit of follower engagement because there seems to be a disconnect between your newfound status and what they've always perceived you as, it's time to do steps 1. I just told you, option 1, that's there for you, or this number 2, which is switch. That is start to build another community in a related niche, okay? Now, some talk to me and they say, look, we want to bump up our sales. A lot of businesses reach me with that type of complaint. We want higher ROI, want more ROI for our business. According to the business insight called Socialite, they say that for a good micro-influencer, the engagement is about 10 to 15%. For the average micro-influencer, which is kind of like everybody out there trying to do the same thing, the engagement is 5 to 7%. Now, for the macro influencer or the big brand, celebrity, mega influencer, engagement is, guess what, 1 to 2%. That is freaking low. You do not want to do that. You do not want to be caught with that. So how do you fix it? Now, I personally currently run multiple micro niches and I record engagements of 35 to 60%. compared to the good micro influencers who are recording averages of 10 to 15%, I am doing 35 to 60% easily. I mean, that is mad good, and the return on investment is crazy. Now, there are some of you watching this video right now who know me personally, and you know that I am too lazy to hype. So listen guys, in this economy, you need to understand what works for your specific locality if you want to break even and then start to make profit enough to recapitalize your business. And you need to know how to market. You need to know how to sell. So do you want to know the tricks and the tools that I use to double and triple profit in my micro niche communities? I'm sure you do. Now, I'd like to say this very, very clearly to you. It doesn't matter if you want to pursue the angle of being a micro influencer, okay? Or if you want to pursue the angle of just selling your products or services. The strategies that I'm going to share with you, the tools are going to work for you whichever path you decide to follow, okay? Now, I'll be giving away my secrets at the OpenProfit Africa Business and Investment Masterclass on August the 31st in Lagos, Nigeria. In this masterclass, we will enter a deep dive into 5 courses that will challenge whatever profit you thought you had gained. Now, you will learn 7 market areas that are open right now for big profit. You will learn global repositioning strategies for e-commerce. You will learn direct response marketing strategies that actually work. You will learn high ticket sales closing methodologies. That's a big deal. You're going to also learn how to connect to current funding and investment opportunities that come with a 70 to 100% return on investment within 6 to 9 month cycles. Okay, now this masterclass is going to feature a live session where we'll run practicals using your own business, products and services right there in the workshop to make sales live on the spot. Now, how much you want to make is up to you, but I guarantee you results. All right, now if you sign up for this masterclass and make an investment within 7 days, you're going to get a quick action bonus of 50% discount. That means instead of investing 50,000 naira for this masterclass, you invest just 25,000 naira. Listen to me, if you miss the 7-day deadline, the price goes back up to 50,000 naira. On top of that 50% bonus that you get, I'll give you my premium $199 product development and e-commerce marketing coaching course for free. And then on top of that, I'll gift you a bonus business management week of coaching worth $1,000 for free. Listen, if your desire is to sell high quality products and services, your products and services, and rise above survival and become the true entrepreneur, even in these hard times, and become that most wanted business, then you have to attend this masterclass. Go apply right now. Details about this OpenProfit Africa Business and Investment Masterclass are right down there. Click the link, follow the instructions to invest, and someone on my team will contact you and send you instructions on how to prepare for your D-Day. Go apply right now. Peace.